Hi,
Hello,
Ramzan.
hello, Emily. Am I
Yeah,
right?
yeah, you're right. How about me? Are you Ramzan?
Yes, I am Ramzan.
Yay. Oh, it's nice to meet you.
Yeah, thank you. Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I am great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm very well, thank you, Ramzan. You've got a lovely smile.
Yes, thank you. I wanted to keep smiling because this is one of the thing which is making me more positive and happy the whole day.
Oh, good. Ramzan, where are you from?
I am from India, so
Oh,
basically, I want that to make this discussion more productive. So, I want some rapid fire questions from your end, and I will be giving you the immediate reply. So, in that way, I will be practicing my English in a better way. Yeah.
okay, all right.
Yes.
Okay, Ramzan, how
Yes.
long have you been learning English?
From last 5 years.
Hmm. Good. You can say for the last 5 years.
Okay. For the last 5 years.
Perfect. Good. Well, I think it's pretty good, right? Your
Yes.
English. And how have you been learning English?
Earlier, I joined some English classes, and then after I tried to do some public speaking. So in that way, I got some confidence to speak in front of audience. And later on, I also worked on my pronunciation. And now, what I'm thinking is that I have to connect myself with the people who are native speakers
Hmm.
and try to communicate with them. And in that way, I will better understand their fluency. And yes, this is the best way I have chosen right now.
Wow, I'm so impressed.
Yes, thank you.
How about your public speaking? What did you speak about?
Actually, in my college, I was doing giving some presentation on technology and other stuff. And yes, these are the things which helped me to get some confidence while speaking in English.
Wow, amazing. I'm so impressed. So Ramzan, are you a student now?
Sorry?
Are you a student now?
No, I am a professional, software professional.
Oh, interesting. Is it a good job?
Yes, that is a good job, but not in the initial 6 months.
Why not?
Because at that moment we get the task, and if we have some problem, then we have a pen in the mind, and until we get the solution. And on regular basis, if we are doing that, then we become more habitual.
Sorry, you become more.
Habitual.
Okay, yeah, I understand you.
Yes.
Good. Thank you. Oh, lovely. So, is it your first 6 months of your job now?
No. I am working from last 3 years.
Oh, good. So
Yes.
it's a bit easier for you now.
Yes, now it's easier because yes, now if I am facing any problem, then I just think about that I will be finding the solution some way,
Mhm.
somehow.
Oh,
Yes.
you're quite positive.
Yes.
And Ramzan, tell me, I want to know, like, which part of India are you from? What is it like where you live? Because I've never been to India. I want to know.
Yes, I am from northern part of India, that is Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay.
And yes, I am living a good life. So what about you? What about you?
I'm from the UK,
O-
Ramzan. I'm from England.
Okay.
And I live in the countryside in the east of England, it's kind of near the beach. It's
Okay.
quite quiet.
Yes, quite. So that is good.
How about you? Is it do you live in the city or the countryside?
Actually, I am living away from my hometown about 20 miles.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yes. just
Oh,
just in touch with the city and also with my village life.
oh, that's so nice.
Yes.
So you can, how often do you go home?
Once a month.
Mhm.
Yes.
Oh, yay.
So
And
one more thing is that I have the problem while understanding the songs in English. So can you please
mm,
sing a small song, and I will be picking the words from that song. So in that way, I will think about that. Yes, is it possible for me to understand that fluent words or not? If you don't mind.
I'm so nervous, Ramzan. I'm so nervous, and I'm not a good singer also.
You are my teacher. You know that I will be getting the confidence from you.
Oh gosh. Right. How about, do you like Ed Sheeran?
Any song which is your favorite and in which you are confident, because I mostly listen the songs of Michael Jackson. Just beat it.
Who else do you like?
Sorry.
Who who else do you like?
Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber. Oh.
Oh,
What's your favorite Justin Bieber song, Ramzan?
I think that is a single one which is very popular. I don't remember. I will never ever.
Yeah. Baby, baby, baby. Ooh. That one.
Yes.
Right, I've got it. I've got it. I can see the lyrics. Are you ready?
Yes.
I know you love me. You know, I know you care. You shout whenever, and I'll be there. You are my love. You are my heart. And we will never, ever, ever be apart. I'm so nervous.
No, this is great, great.
Do you know that song, Ramzan?
Yes, I know this song.
What did I say?
Actually, I don't able to complete the whole lyrics which you sang basically. But yes, I was able to understand what the words which you spoken.
Mhm. I think at this bit, just shout whenever and I'll be there. That's quite funny.
Yes,
Oh, Ramzan, that's so lovely. So you like Michael Jackson and Justin Bieber, right?
yes.
Are you a musical man?
No, earlier I was trying to sing, and later on I quit and just focused on my job. So in that way, I am little away from all the stuff which I was doing with the music.
Oh, did you ever write any music?
No, never right, but I was singing also.
That's
The songs,
so lovely.
yes.
Did you perform
Yes, I
your
performed in front of about thousands of audience in my college.
no,
Yes,
no.
yes.
Rah! How did you feel?
Actually, I was feeling very nervous in the previous year and couldn't able to perform. And then in the next year, I got the confidence. I committed to myself that anyhow I will have to perform, and I mean remove the fear which I have in my body and mind. And you already know that if we are in front of the public and there is music and everything, so at that moment that is little difficult. But if we are able to perform over there, then we get the confidence to speak anywhere else, just like
Mm.
Michael Jackson. So he was performing in front of thousands of audience.
That's amazing. I'm so impressed.
So what's your profession basically?
Well, now I'm full time teaching English.
Okay, and
But it's go on.
yes, go ahead.
But I studied art
Mhm.
at university. Yeah, and it's only my second day on Cambly.
Okay, so I have also spent only single week. I'm also new one over here.
Oh, yay! We're both new.
Yes. And what's your age? You are about?
25.
Oh, wow. I am 24.
Oh, lovely.
You are my
lovely.
senior.
Only 1 year.
Yes. Okay, that's nice.
Oh, that's so nice. And I want to know about your singing. Did you sing in English? Well, which language?
No, I was singing in the Hindi.
Hindi. Oh,
That is the language
lovely.
which we are.
Oh, amazing. So what's your dream? Why are you learning English, Ramzan? Tell me.
Actually, I have some clients in the outside of India. So, in order to do some meetings and client communication, so I have needed a good communication skill in English specifically because they only have the language to communicate with me, that is English, or maybe they are from Arabic background. So I have much difficulty in learning Arabic. So it's easier for me to learn English because I had the English medium in my school and college.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why I am performing, trying to practice my English communication right now. And yes, this is helping me to uh, give the response to those clients in a better way.
Are you practicing every day?
Nowadays, I am practicing on Cambly every day, about 30 minutes. And
Yeah.
earlier, I was just practicing some reading, I mean, English reading, and also worked on my pronunciation so that I could match that pronunciation with the people who are native speakers.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yes.
Good work. I like it. To practice every day, that's good.
Yes.
Keep going.
Yes. Inshallah.
Oh, lovely. Well, maybe I will see you another day in your daily practice. Right?
Yes. I also tried to book a class with you yesterday, but once I clicked over there, and then I found that you are offline. So,
Oh no, I'm sorry.
so that's why I couldn't able to connect with you. And today I got the chance to see you online, and then after I booked the slot.
Yay, I'm happy. Well, I will put some more hours. Because I'm just starting, I was a bit nervous.
Yes. So can you please give me a little suggestion about joining Cambly as a tutor? So what you have completed, and then after your application has been approved.
Do you want to be a teacher?
So is it possible for me?
I don't know, Ramzan. I don't know if you have to be a native speaker.
Okay. So you mean that I must be out from India?
Ramzan, I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know if you have to be from England and America and South Africa.
Okay. So you
I'm
mean
not sure.
okay, great. Okay, no problem. So, yes, lovely to talk with you. Yes, we had a great communication over here, and I also learned.
We did it.
Yes,
It was funny.
yes. So, can you please suggest me any specific platform where I can practice my pronunciation?
Oh, I'm not sure, Ramzan. Maybe I'll send you a message. But keep going with Cambly.
Yes. Okay. You should send me the message on my chat, so I will be getting the link. Maybe if there is any specific website from where I can practice my English communication. So yeah, in that way I can try to move ahead with this one.
All right, Ramzan. Nice to meet you.
Okay. Thank you.